Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2980th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and of course, that is me. Good evening, traders. Thank you so much, as always, for tuning in. This time, as I mentioned, it's the 2980th installment of short-term trading to teach you about technical analysis and keep you abreast on market movement and how you can make money with this information. This video is coming at you on a Monday night for Trading Tuesday. That's October 7th, 2025. The OMNI is green for E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russ. But before we jump in and trade, remember, trading is risky. Put your stops in first. Never trade these markets without putting in a protective stop, and put that in before you enter into a live, long, or short position. You'll live a lot longer in this business if you respect the risk. All right, traders, E-mini S&P, the Russell 2000 is green. Same thing with the Russell and the NASDAQ. The Dow, we're looking to get long on dips, E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. As you can see with this chart, it is the Russell 2000. And it has had a fantastic run. If you'll note here, right on this day, Omni got bearish, the same day that Jerome Powell said something silly about the markets being overbought. Omni went bearish all the way to here. Then it went neutral, and bullish, and told us to get long and stay long. And it's been giving us buy signals since. Fantastic analysis, right? You got to love the Omni. Viva la Omni. So, what else is going on? Traders, if you haven't grabbed your Omni token, it is doing really well. You got to go to pump.fun and look for OMNITRADING. OMNITRADING, that's the token's name. You could also find it on Dex Screener. You can find it on CoinGecko. It's listed on CoinMarketCap, MEXC, and another big exchange just picked this up today. It's not even listed on here. So go grab your Omni token. You'll see why in a moment. It's doing really well. Here's what I can tell you, traders. There'll never be a rug pull. The Omni token is owned by me, my family, and us Omniacs around the world mostly. I am the biggest holder, and I will not pull the rug. If you look at the trades, you'll see nothing but buy from Oscar. Buy, 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 buy. He doesn't sell. I will not do that to you. When we sell the Omni token, we'll do it as a crowd when it reaches a chart point. It gets up high enough and the Omni tells us to get out. We get out. Comes back down to a buy point. We get back in. But until then, hold tight, because what's happening is this. You're doing exactly what I've asked you to do. You're buying little bits each day, and it's our army of Omniacs are making this a viable crypto. Now, I will also allow you to use this crypto to buy memberships on our site and to pay for Omni camps. So this crypto does have utility. So keep buying the Omni trading token. I will do the same, I promise you. When you buy, I'm behind you buying. When they come in and sell and I see a red bar, I come in and buy it. Us Omniacs are doing that as a crowd. Together, collectively, we are making this happen. Love you, Omniacs, for your support in this Omni trading token. My goodness, it's working and it's ours. God bless us, kids, right? Let's just keep our head down, nose to the grindstone, on to the next trade, and we'll continue to buy Omni token when we see others bailing out. So, that's your Russell 2000. There's other charts I want to show you. Check out this guy. Bitcoin. Look at this sickness. The Omni called for Bitcoin thousands and thousands and thousands of points below to rally up to the 126 mark, and we hit it today, baby. On Tuesday, on Monday, I should say. Bitcoin hits the 126,000 mark. Omni gave us that call thousands of dollars ago, and as you know, I made myself get long for all of this, expecting that call. Now, I'm not just bailing out. I'm going to conjure up another call and see what we should do next. But love the Bitcoin. So far, so good. Love the Omni token. We looked at E-mini S&P, or I should say we looked at the Russell, but it's sort of the proxy for E-mini S&P and NASDAQ for trading tomorrow. We want to buy dips in all three. We looked at Bitcoin, which looks fantastic. Let's go look at this. I think it's here. Oh, yeah. the Omni token. Kids, look, it's up to 225K. Thank you all. We love you guys. And look at the chart. Does this chart not look great? That's the way it's supposed to go. Now, when you see a red bar like this, go in and buy Omniacs. You don't have to buy much. When you see a red bar, go in and buy them. We chase them out, and I'll continue to do the same with you. The idea is to help support this crowd, support the Omni, support the whole Omni universe, and we can do that together because we're a worldwide crowd, and we trust one another. Good work, Omniacs. Just great work. You're making money for yourselves. We're making money for people around the world. We're leaving a dent on this planet, and the Omni token is helping us do that. As I mentioned, if you build up enough Omni tokens, I'll let you pay for Omni camps, for Omni memberships, whatever you want to do at the site. We'll use the token as utility, as well as hopefully make a few bucks along the way. But Omniacs, a heartfelt thank you for supporting this. Remember, you see a red bar, go in and buy. If you do that, no other Omniacs will as well, including me, and we'll keep this viable. What else is out there for trading on the 7th, Tuesday? Almost lost my train of thought on the days. And that would be this bad boy. Check this out. Look at gold. I've been telling you about it. Of course, so was everyone else talking about it for weeks and weeks. When we catch it well. Omni wants us to stay with the long side of gold and buy the dips. And you can see this massive blue, huge pennant. Top line, bottom line, right? They're both in place. We break out right about here, and away gold goes. I mean, it looks great. The fund managers are not going to let this go. You know what I'm saying? Funds have it. They got it on the run. They're going to keep it on the run. I don't know. I like silver as much tomorrow as I like gold, but I think the gold will be a better trade. Traders, please leave your comments on these videos, like and share them all over the internet. I answer all your comments personally. It is worth leaving them because I personally will write back to you. Make sure that you share these videos and get your Omni trading crypto. Don't forget, pump.fun, go grab it. Us Omniacs are having a good time with this, and we promise to support each other. Barring that, I'll say to you, keep your emotions out of trading. Don't make emotional decisions when you're trading. Make decisions that were written down as a trading plan long before you ever got in the market. Put your stops in first and then say this to yourselves over and over. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, that is the truth. Put those stops in first. No emotional decisions. And join me at livewithoscar.com or, of course, when I'm streaming each day at pump.fun. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you all at Live with Oscar.